Morning.
Oh, morning.
What are we doing?
This window's coming out, and we're getting a new window with a hole in it. And we're going to put a hole in here, a hole in that cage, and then they can go from inside to outside through a tube that's about like that big.
Isn't that going to be awesome for everyone?
It's going to be awesome for everyone. So with only people I know would do something like this.
I don't know either. So we're just waiting for the glass company now to come and install that new window. Good morning, guys. Good morning. And we did get them a new bedroom cage. It didn't need to be as big, being that they can go straight out to their playhouse now. Oh, I cannot wait to see how quick you figure that tunnel out.
Go up and down a little bit.
Hey,
It's not too bad.
look at that. No window anymore. Chip, how exciting, huh? Yeah, well, there's a new one going up. Don't get too excited. You're going to have to figure this out. Yep. Your little brain is spinning. I can see it. You feel that breeze?
Well, Lou, what do you think?
That's exciting.
Yep.
It's been a lot of prep getting that out and recocked and clean. That was a mess. So it's going to sit on that 2x4 there. And then you've stained some new trim. So then that'll be after they get that in.
I'm going to tile the top so that
That'll look
it's
nice.
easier to clean.
Yeah. Oh, I love that. That's a good idea.
Done?
Yep. Bottom in first. Get your hand in. There you go.
Don't you love it when it fits?
Heck yeah.
So how do they temper it?
And they bake it. They bake the glass to thousands of degrees to temper it. I don't know exactly that process because I've never been in those kind of shops, but I've installed a lot of glass, so I know that much.
Yeah. So it had to be tempered to put a hole in it. That's the whole purpose in having tempered. And you also said it has to be tempered if it's to the floor like this.
Yep.
Is there a regulation how far down?
3 feet.
So
yeah, 3 feet below has to be tempered.
okay, good to know.
Off to the next job.
Oh yeah. You got everything?
Nice work, guys.
Thank you.
Thank you.
So now here's the hole. And then we've got to sandwich these two cages together with some tunnel piping. Here's the PVC that we have given them to just like get used to. So that's going to go in here. It's moving fast.
Yep.
Because the birds make a mess.
They do.
We're tiling.
Yep, that's
At the
going to
bottom.
be easier to clean. The wood was really hard to keep clean on the floor.
Well, now you don't have to.
Chip says, yep. It was hard to clean, huh, buddy? Hi, Daisy. Hi. Hi, honey. It's all for you, baby.
Well, look at that.
That is such a nice curb. Chip, you've been watching him all day. Where are we at?
Okay. Well, we're glued the pipe in with silicone.
You got all the trim back, tiled.
I have to grout it.
And we got the hole cut on the back side of the cage. It's gonna go right there. And they'll have to go through there. We'll have to finish in the morning because it's nighttime already, so it's capped off. And that's what we'll do when we're not having them use it. We'll finish tomorrow.
Wow, that looks good.
It does look good. Good job.
So I'm gonna go and paint the board on the other side.
Okay. It's morning. And we've got the cage pushed up in the back side. And we're trimming branches. But that went in nice. There we go. I'm excited for them to see this. So I'll have to take them outside to get the rest ready. Hey fellas, this is why we've done it. This is why we did this. Are you ready to go outside so we can fix the inside for you? Is Daisy up yet? Good morning, Miss Daisy. All right, we gotta do this inside now. Yep. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Go outside. Come on. Let's go outside. We gotta finish. Come here, Mr. Chip. Come here. Come on. Good boy. Good boy. Let's go. You're gonna have so much fun. I can hardly wait. We'll see how long it takes you to figure it out. All right, Chip's outside already. All right, Chester's still eating breakfast. Daisy and Chip are out there. Hi, that's Daisy. Hi, sweetie. Peekaboo, peekaboo. Wow, they're faster than I thought. So Chester went through the tunnel from the inside. This is fun. Look at them all. Peekaboo. They're all like, what is happening? That was cool. Yeah, Chester came through the other. Hi. I think Daisy's coming. Hi. Peekaboo. Yeah.
Chip is sitting on top.
Hi. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, I'll bet Daisy comes. They're like, do we really have to go through that thing? Peekaboo. And there's Chip. Peekaboo. Who's gonna be first? I guess technically Chester was first. Okay, cutting the inside bars.
$1,000 cage.
I know. This is a permanent fixture now in the house. It's a little unnerving, but so worth it, I think. They're gonna love it. All right. This is it. Yeah, the final step. Nice. Very good. Okay. Well,
Hi.
let's just keep an eye on them and see. I'll bet Daisy's the first one in because she's sitting on eggs again. So she's going to want to get in here. That's great. So she'll be able to get into her eggs and take her break, and the boys can come and go. They get a whole lot more restless in here in the house in general. So this is going to be really nice for them. And us. Very cool.
Okay, and you can change the paper, huh?
Yeah, I'll clean up. The outside cage is all clean. They're enjoying it. They haven't been out there in a while just because of this nesting. But who is that playing? Who is that? I think that's Daisy playing. That's good. She needs to. I think Daisy will be the first one back through because of her eggs, but right now she's enjoying playing. They just are enjoying being back out there, and it's all clean. There she is. Hi, sweetie. You coming? I think she is going to figure that out first because of the eggs she's sitting on. Oh, but she's having fun playing. Oh, they're so having fun. She keeps looking through here. Yeah, she wants back in for her eggs. And here's the box inside, and there's her eggs. Whether they're fertile or not, that's another story. We're not sure.
Nice and clean looking. Hi. Hi. Is that Daisy?
Yeah.
Hi, Daisy. Hi.
Come on, sweetie.
Come on.
That's a long tunnel.
Hi, Daisy. There she is. Come on.
Bunch of monkeys. This is their challenge for the day. That Chip, he's like, let me show you how it's done. He came halfway. Hi, buddy. You gonna show Daisy how to get through and be brave? You gonna come? Come here. Hi, Chip. Hi. Show Daisy how to do it. They're so funny to watch. I don't know who's gonna be first. So I did a pistachio and they were just getting them and then going right back. So I figured the eggs would be enough incentive. So I went to the other side, and actually Chester went through with help from this side going out because he just loves to go out. So that worked. So technically he was the first, but I want them to on their very own. So I helped him through again, and he was happy to go back in the box and hopes that they would follow him, but they've just got to figure it out and be comfortable with it. And it's a good challenge on top of everything. It's going to be fun for him to have that to work out all day long. Call him in, Chester. Yay! Good job! Oh, good girl! Daisy figured it out and I missed it. Good girl, Daisy, good girl. Woohoo! Peekaboo, peekaboo. I bet you're pretty proud of yourself. Peekaboo. Now we gotta get Chip. Come on, Chip. Daisy got brave. Yep. Kiss. Give me a kiss. He's in there kissing Chester. Yay! Good job, Daisy. I'll catch you next time. I missed it. Mwah! Chip's like, whoa. I thought you would be first, buddy. Somebody show Chip. Chester, go get him. Go get Chip. Good job. Well, he saw her do it, so. Come on, Chip, you can do it. Come on. Be brave, little buddy, come on. It's been a whole day and Daisy's the only one doing it. Okay, show him how, Daisy. Hi. Let me stretch first. Here she comes. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl, Daisy. And that's why. Were they watching you? All right, let's do it again. Let's show the boys. Let's show the boys, Daisy. There she is. She's got it. Good job. Good job, sweetie. Oh, I'm so proud of you. Good girl. They are not catching on. Come on, guys. Come on. Come on. I know you saw her go through there this time. Come here. Maybe tomorrow. Not today, they said. Not today. So Chester figured it out all by himself and I missed it. Daisy's excited. Good job, Chester. Good job. Good job. Now it's driving Chip bonkers. Oh, wait. Oh, Chip, did you do it? Did Chip do it? Wow, good boy. All right, so he was last. That's awesome. He's not far behind. I thought he was just... So he was working on chewing this tunnel, thinking that was gonna make it smaller for him. Good job, Chip. That's what all that was about. Chester, good job. Everybody figured it out. Very good. It only took a day. But where there's a will, there's a way. If I've ever seen one. Let me see Chip's face. Hey, Chipster. Good job, buddy. That was a lot of commotion there. You just had a party without me. Very cool. Good job, everybody. They have figured it out. That is so awesome. Good job. Hi. Very good job. I'm so proud of you. Good job, Chip. Buddy, good job. Peekaboo. Peekaboo. Good job. Now you're hanging out in there. I knew you would love it. My adventure birdie. I knew you would. Good job. Are you going to hang out in there now? Now it's like so fun you just want to hang out? Silly birds. Maybe Chester wants to come in and you're blocking the tunnel. Are you coming? Oh, you silly. You silly bird. You silly. Hi. Oh, that's just awesome. So that's worked out really nice. They are using it. It only took, I don't know, 3 days to get to where we're at. It takes time. They have to explore and trust the process and the people. Now he likes it.
That's cool.
I know. He likes it so much, he's just hanging out.
Now he's backing up.
I know. He's just been doing this. He's playing in there. So, good job, Chuck. Another brilliant design for the birdies.
He's the only one that's gone both directions.
Chip is?
Mm-hmm.
I'm not sure about that, but I'm surprised he was so reluctant. Now he's having fun. But they're both using it.
It's a doggy door for birds.
Yes, it's a doggy door for birds. That's exactly what it is. Good job, Chester. And here comes Chip to join you. Here comes Chip. Good job, boys. Good job, Chip. Good job, Chip. Woohoo! Good job.